Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, Rachel Reviews. We have a Stitch Fix unboxing today. Yes, I am still in my house. We finally signed all the papers, so now it's just a waiting game to get into the new house. So, I don't know why I punched the air so much. It's like we're getting pumped up. Okay, we have a Stitch Fix box today. If you haven't tried Stitch Fix before and you want to, there's a link below. It's my mom's Stitch Fix link to get $25 towards your first fix. She would get $25 as well, so if you want to try it, feel free. There's a description below about Stitch Fix too. Styling service, they send you 5 items. Send you a price sheet and a styling note and a bag to send everything back. Anything you don't want. It's like $20 for each styling box, unless you have a style pass. That $20 goes towards what you keep. If you don't keep anything, you're out the 20 bucks. But you can usually find something to keep. Let's read our style note. Whew. It's hot up here. Even though it's October, we're having a warm day today. It's a nice day. Hi Rachel. Hopefully, happy first fix day in your new home. No. It'll probably be realistically November when we move in. So I don't know when this video is going up. I'm trying to do some so that while we're packing and moving and all that, I can still put videos up. So by the time you see this, I might be in my new house. But I digress. Okay, I hope the move was smooth for you, your hubby, and the chickens. Thank you. The chickens, I am worried about moving. It's gonna be fun to move the chickens. And my little doggy. Okay. I filled this box with all of the fall things. Thank you. I had asked Kristen for all of the fall things. Since you pinned the Letty and Me pullover on your Pinterest board, I made sure to include it. It's a great transition piece from summer to fall and from work into the evening/weekend. The pink clover pullover and Kaylee top are rich fall colors, and you can wear them with trousers to work and with jeans at home. Who wears jeans at home? Not me. Leggings or joggers. Yeah. I wasn't able to find a true flannel, but I'm sending you the Mellow Day shirt to try with your favorite jeans and a pair of booties. Perfect for your pumpkin spice run or the pumpkin patch. The Z Supply dress is an I'm pushing your comfort zone a bit piece. Wear it with tights or leggings. Take care and can't wait to see the unboxing. XO, Kristen. Thanks, Kristen. I'm excited. I love fall. You know, I might be sounding basic when I say that, but fall is my favorite. I knocked the sign over. Alright, so here is our bundle. Look at those pretty fall colors. I think I asked for like jewel tones, you know. So we have like a gray there. Get it pulled out. Some flannel, some like orangey, yellowy. It's more orange. And then we have, oh, it's wet from where my dog sniffed it. And then we have like some maroon and then some gray in the bottom there too. So let's get to undoing it. It's really wrapped up tight. So crinkling away. Alright. Ooh. Oh, okay. I didn't notice this when I pinned it. But here's that Letty and Me. Hi, baby. My dog's in here. Letty and Me Nikki Pointel 3/4 sleeve pullover in light gray. So I didn't notice when I pinned it how it has like that detail, that detailing. But it has the crisscross front, which I still love. I'm sorry if it's out. I still love it. So crisscross detailing. Has a 3/4 length sleeves. It's pretty. I thought it was just like a solid gray. But look at all that detailing, you guys. That is really pretty. Okay, I'm excited about that. And we have by Mellow Day Paloma Super Soft Button Popover Shirt in burgundy. And I did ask her if she did send me like a flannel with buttons or anything to size up, because we all know my buttons issue. But I don't have any flannel shirts. My dog's down there. What you doing? You want to smell it? You want to smell it? Okay. So here's the flannel. Like she said, it's not like a true button-down flannel, but this might be good because, like, you know, we all know my button issues. Oh, and it's like elastic at the sleeve. So very cute. I'm excited for that. It's really soft. Really soft. So she did size up on that even though there's no buttons. But that's okay. I think it'll be alright. Here is, this is really soft too. Pink Clover Valencia curved hem pullover in burnt orange. I've seen this in the Shop My Looks, And it's just like a basic, you know, kind of sweater, which you could totally wear for work, like she said. And it's got the long sleeves, just kind of a good shirt for fall and winter. Kind of basic, like it said, it has the curved hem there. See if you can see it. Very, very soft. Everything by Pink Clover is always so soft. And this one's really soft too. It's by Kaylee, which is like becoming one of my more favorite brands from Stitch Fix. Kaylee London Shoulder Zip Boat Neck Knit Top in Burgundy. And it has this fun little zipper detail on the sleeve there. If I can actually show you the zipper. Look at that. So that's kind of cute. So soft. It's more like a dolman. It looks really big, even though it's just an extra large, which is usually what I get sent. But it looks really big. So this is going to be like for sure oversized too. But so soft. It's like that brushed knit. You can kind of see the texture. So soft. And lastly, we have, I don't know, oh, the dress. That's right, the dress. The Z Supply Hyatt knit dress in navy. But it kind of looks more like a, it looks more gray to me, but I guess it's like a bluish gray. So it has like that kind of side rouging there. Like a faux side thing. I don't know. 3/4 sleeve? Might be long sleeve. I can't tell. I have short arms. So yeah, so that's that dress she was talking about, pushing me out of my comfort zone. And yeah, well, let's get to trying them on. So here we have the first top. It's really cute. It's pretty thin. So I think it probably would be good with a cardigan. I don't really have any out right now because I packed them. But I think it'd be really cute with a cardigan because you would still get that detailing. Here's the detailing up close if you can see. It's just really cute sweater. See the back. You tuck it in the front, but it is pretty thin. Like it's definitely not like a heavy sweater or anything. But I like the crisscross still. And I like gray. It's really cute. It's really comfortable too. Yeah. That's a good contender because I would totally wear this to work as well as just like with a pair of jeans on the weekend. With a cute cardigan in the fall, in the winter, in the spring. It's light enough you could wear this in the spring too. So, that's cute. Good one to start off with. Let's do the rest. So here is the flannel one. And it's really comfy. If I raise my arms, the side, like this does go up kind of high. But I still feel covered. Like, I think that's fine. Just pull it back down. This goes down pretty low. I didn't realize how low it went down. But this material is so soft. Like, let's see if it'll tell me. It's 100% rayon. But it's really, really soft. It has the elastic sleeves. So, like, your sleeves aren't going anywhere. I think this could be a cute option because, like I said, I don't usually get flannels because of all the buttons and everything. I think this is cute. It is, even though we sized up, it is still pulling like maybe a little bit, but I don't know. I think it's cute. It could be cute for fall. I don't have any flannel, as we know, as I said 3 times now. Yeah, it's really soft. I like the colors. It's like, it's not overtly like flannel-y, you know what I mean? Do you know what I mean? I don't know what I mean. I like the V. That's cute. All right, let's go on. Here's the orange one. It's really soft. I like the color. I just don't think I'm crazy about the fit. It is pretty clingy. You can see from the side there. It's kind of clingy. I like the rounded hem. Can't really tuck it in that well though, I don't think. It's kind of like your basic sweater. Like I said, super soft. If you like just basic sweaters, go for it. But I think it's just kind of a little basic for me. But here's a little sleeves if you want to see. the detailing, if there's any that you can see, because it's kind of dark. But just like that ribbing there, you know, kind of standard sleeves. Pretty color, but I don't think this is a keeper. Next. Well, we started out strong, Kristen, with those first two, but I think this one's just way too big. It's a lot of material. The sleeves are really long and they're really wide. Like, they don't come in at all. Like, they don't taper in to stay up. So they're really wide. And there's just like, it's just a lot of material. It's more of like a dolman. So it is tighter through the bottom. But it's like, all this material doesn't know what to do with itself. It has that zipper on the side there. And it's just kind of all over the place. Like, there's not a lot of structure to it. I really like the color. You did so good with like the color on this one. Yeah, it's just a lot. So no to this one as well. Really, really soft. The softest of them all. It's like the first Kaylee piece that I don't love. I'm sad. So, okay, let's try on the dress. Here is the dress by Z Supply. Nah. Nah. The color's nice. I like the top part of it, but I just have, you know, as everyone does, their little bugaboos about themselves, and it just highlights my stomach area too much for my liking. Everyone has a stomach. It's fine. You gotta keep your organs somewhere. But I don't want to highlight it all the time. So it does drape over. This part here does go up like this, so it's not like, if this flaps open, you're seeing stuff. But here's the back. It's not bad from the back, but from the front, just not comfy in it. So let's go over prices. If you like this video and you like unboxings, go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you want to. It's down there somewhere, the button. And then give a big thumbs up if you liked this video. I like it so far. Hopefully you do too. So the prices are as follows. The Valencia Curved Hem Pullover in Burnt Orange by Pink Clover, $44. The Z Supply Hyatt Knit Dress in Navy, $58. I'm not a big fan of Z Supply, I'm finding out, because I get the Wantable boxes too, and they've sent me some things from Z Supply, and I just don't like them. I don't know if it's like the way they're cut, or their sizing, or their materials they're using, but I just don't like them. The Letty and Me Nikki Pointel 3/4 sleeve pullover in light gray with like the crisscross detail, $42. Good prices, Kristen. I was going to say good prices, Kaylee, because that's the next one. Kaylee London Shoulder Zip Boat Neck Knit Top in Burgundy, $42. And the Mellow Day Paloma Super Soft Button Popover, the flannel one, is $44. So good prices. Good prices, Kristen. Do such a good job. So the Stylist Pick subtotal is $230. If I bought all of them, which I'm not, they take off $57.50, so the whole box would be $172.50, which is right in my price range that I like from Stitch Fix. So there's my dog. So I don't know. I don't know if I want to keep the light gray one or the flannel one, because I am trying to keep just like one thing out of like a Stitch Fix box lately, you know, that I like. So I don't know. You guys help me out. Although by the time this goes up, I'll probably have already made up my mind. But let me know what you think anyway, if you're nice. If you have mean things to say, it's free country, you know, you can write what you want, but I don't know. Don't. But yeah, I hope everyone's having a good day. It's really nice out today. I have to go out to the chickens, as Kristen mentioned. I have to go feed them and, you know, let them out. Let them enjoy the sunshine with supervision, because we get hawks and stuff out by us, and one of our chickens got killed last year by a bird of prey, and I just don't like to let them out without me being out there or someone, because I'm scared. But anyway, I digress again. My dog is, if you hear that, she's itching herself. So, anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to watch any of my other unboxings, feel free to click on any links that might pop up at the end. And I will see you guys next time.